If the perimeter of a sector is 27.2 centimeter and the radius is 5.7 centimeter, then find the area of the sector. We have been given the perimeter of the sector and we know the radius. We have to find out the area of the sector. Now the formula we'll be using is area equals to perimeter into r by 2 minus r square. First we'll use the formula. After that we will see how this formula is derived. So perimeter is given as 27.2 and the radius is 5.7. So we can substitute 27.2 into 5.7 divided by 2 minus 5.7 whole square. 2 will go 13.6, so it will become 13.6 into 5.7 minus 5.7 whole square, that is 32.49. After simplification, we will have 77.52 minus 32.49, which is equal to 45.03 cm square. So we have been given the perimeter and we have been given the radius. We have to calculate the area of the sector. The formula we have used is area equals to perimeter into r by 2 minus r square. Given to us, perimeter is 27.2 centimeter and radius is 5.7 centimeter. So we substituted the given values. After simplification, we got 45.03 cm square. Now let us see how this particular formula is derived. Very easy to derive because we know what is area of sector and we also know what is perimeter of a sector. First let's understand, just put down what are the formulas we know. We know area of sector is given by theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is in degrees. We also know that length of arc L is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r, where theta is again in degrees. So can we write down area in terms of length of arc? Because if we know the perimeter, we know the radius, then we can easily find out length. So area equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Since area and the length of arc, both of them have theta by 360, only this term I need to manipulate. So I'll write down pi r square as 2 pi r into r by 2. And this theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to length of arc L. So can I go ahead and write down area of the sector is equal to L into r by 2. But what is L? L is nothing but perimeter minus 2 times of radius. Perimeter of a sector is length of arc plus 2 times of radius. So length equals to P minus 2R. Now we can come back and write down P minus 2R into R by 2. Simplify that, we get area of sector equals to P into R by 2 minus R square. Now that is how the formula can be derived. So if you are in competitive exam, you have to write it immediately. This formula will be useful for you to solve the problem. So that's one interesting problem asked by one of the student. So I just thought I will share this because this type of information is not available in NCERT. This type of questions are not there. So I just thought let me just derive a simple formula for you and share it with you. So I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Take care of yourself and your family. Thank you. Thanks for all your love. Bye for now.